Hello everybody and welcome back. So, in this video I'm going to be providing you guys a crash course on how to use a fax machine. So, actually the first thing that I wanted to talk about is the fact that actually most quote-unquote fax machines are usually just all-in-one printers that just have fax capabilities built into them. So, let me just start off by showing you guys the specific model that I have here. So yeah, this is a Brother all-in-one printer. And yeah, you can kind of see it right there. There's the model number. If only that darn screen would turn off. There it is. Alright, yep, you can see the model number right there. So yeah, this is a Brother all-in-one printer. So a prerequisite that I wanted to cover is the fact that all fax machines need to be plugged into a working landline. So, for example, on the back of this machine, there are two different ports on the back. One says line and one says EXT. Well, you'd want to plug in the incoming landline into the port that says line. So, yeah. Every fax machine needs to be plugged into a working landline and therefore must have a phone number associated with it. And same thing with the recipient fax machine that you might want to send a fax to. And you must know the recipient fax machine's number, the phone number of the landline that it is plugged into. So let's just get started in talking about how you would send a fax on an all-in-one machine like this one. So you can tell it's an all-in-one machine because just looking at the buttons here, you see multiple different modes. There's copy, scan, and fax. So since we want a fax, we need to select the fax option. Alright, yep, so after we selected that option, now it says fax only. So the way that I'm going to demonstrate sending a fax the first time around is I'm going to be using the document feeder on top here. So probably every machine is going to be a little bit different on how it wants you to insert the document into the feeder. But there is a label on top that tells you which way it wants you to put in the document. So it'll actually get scanned in correctly and the recipient won't just receive like a blank page. Alright, yep, so I'm going to just go ahead and put in the document, and that's going to trigger the machine to actually start prompting us to put in the fax number and everything. Alright, yep, it just beeped, so it detected it. And yep, now it's asking us to input the fax number. So, to do that, we would need to use the keypad right over here. So I'm going to input that fax number. Alright, yep, so I just inputted that number. And now it's asking us to push start. And yep, the start button is right here. So yeah, let's talk about the sounds we're hearing there for just a minute. Like that intermittent beep you keep hearing there? Well, that's this fax machine handshake tone. So it's waiting to hear the recipient fax machine's tones. And then it'll start transmitting. And yep, that sound right there, that's the recipient machine just picking up. And then, yeah, once it handshakes with the other machine, it'll just mute the rest of the call until the fax is completed. And yep, you see it's in progress right now. Sending page number 1. completed. Alright, so that's how we know the fax just successfully went through. So another way I wanted to show sending a fax on an all-in-one machine like this one is using the scanner instead of the document feeder. So we just need to lift up the lid to show the scanner, and we need to put the page that we want to send face down on the glass. Otherwise, if you put it face up, it's just going to scan a blank page, because this is not a two-sided paper. So, yep, just need to close the page in there, hit fax again, and I might be able to redial actually, instead of punching it all in again. Yep, it remembers. I'll hit OK on that, and also, just, you know, because I attached a test set to the line so you can actually hear everything that goes on instead of the machine silencing the rest of it. So I'll just go ahead. Let me actually move the camera closer. Yep, so I'll go ahead and push start now. So yep, you just heard the scanner there. And no, there's not a next page, so I'll hit no. Alrighty then. So the next thing I want to demonstrate is receiving a fax. So I mean, how do you receive a fax on the machine? Well, you just simply need to make sure it's plugged into a working landline, and really after that, you don't need to do anything. The machine just does the work for you. So I'm just going to wait for a fax to come in, since I prompted for one. So the line is ringing now. Alright, so we have just gotten the fax back to us. And yep, there we go. So this is the page that we received. Alright, well, I think honestly, yeah, that's going to conclude my crash course on how to use a fax machine. So I hope you guys found this tutorial useful. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to catch you in the next one.